Hey everybody, we're the Nerds and we're here today in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Just south of Nashville is where we are, kind of in the suburbs, going through some of the back roads. We've been snowed in for 3 days now. When I woke up this morning, it was -5 degrees. Not a real feel, not a wind chill, but actually -5. It's about 15 degrees right now. And we're just gonna go drive through some of the back roads. We had 6 inches in some spots, up to 8 inches in others. So we've been completely snowed in. Roads are still covered, but you can get out pretty well and get around. So we're gonna put the GoPro in the car and just kind of drive some of the back roads and show you what it looks like. So I hope you enjoy this drive with us. We absolutely love the countryside out here. It's absolutely beautiful, snow-covered trees and everything. So join us for a ride through the country roads of Nashville.
We just came to this park. We were gonna be big kids and throw some snowballs. Now it's closed. I forgot the government is shut down. Nobody except for emergency personnel is working with the government. And solid ice, man. Solid ice. I'm gonna bust my butt. Do not throw that at me, Jeremy. You better.
Look at that.
Do y'all see this?
Keep your snow, though. See, look.
It's so, yeah. Well, show it. Don't throw it, please. See how powdery it is? You can't even. You can't even build a snowman. It's so cold.
The sun is setting and it's beautiful out here. The snow, this is our favorite time of the year for sure, isn't it?
It is, but my gosh, it is 24 degrees, I think, right now, and it's going to be down to 16 tonight.
Better than last night.
What was it this morning?
-5 this morning. I think I may have mentioned the video, but when I woke up this morning to get ready for work, it was -5 degrees. So I know like some places like Wisconsin may be laughing like, well, that's not cold up there. But for us Nashvilleians, it's cold. I love the cold weather, but -5 is freezing cold. But this is beautiful. I love it. And then, that's a bird. Thursday, tomorrow night,
so cold.
Ice and snow coming in again.
Yeah, so
up
tomorrow,
to an inch of snow, possibly, and like a 1/10 of an inch of ice.
Yeah, I think it's supposed to get above freezing tomorrow for the first time. So it's going to have
Since
rain instead of snow.
last Friday, maybe?
Yeah, and then that's going to freeze overnight. So we're going to have a mess.